Hi friends, I am going to read to you today about a really cute and very unique special animal. So as usual, I will be giving you clues to see if you can guess what animal it is by the time I get done with the recipe. So the first clue is the beginning sound of the animal name is S. Can you make that sound? You can think of lots of words and maybe some animals whose name starts with S. Okay, now we are going to make rainforest fruit salad today, and it's a fruit salad that's really kind of a dessert, but it's called rainforest fruit salad because the ingredients come from a special part of the earth called the rainforest. Okay, the rainforest has so many plants and animals that can't be found and will not grow or live anywhere else in the world. So the rainforest is really a special place. All right, our mystery animal lives in the treetops of a rainforest. So almost all the ingredients in our recipe come from trees that grow in the rainforest. So I have some flaked up coconut, I have a banana, and then I have pineapple and papaya. Now if you can get fresh pineapple and fresh papaya, ooh, that would be so yummy. But I had to get some in a jar, and that's okay too. And then I have extra ingredients, mini marshmallows. Now, I told you this is a fruit salad dessert, so we have sweetened coconut and marshmallows to go with our sweet fruit. The first thing I'm going to do to put my fruit salad together is turn this jar upside down and drain the juice. And speaking of upside down, our mystery animal spends almost all of its time upside down. I told you it was very unique. It's a special animal. All right, I have peeled my banana and now I am going to slice it. Now, you will need an adult's help with this because anytime you're slicing, it's important to be very careful and go very slowly. One of the things that makes our animal unique is it moves so slow. You think you know what it is yet? We'll see. Okay, I added my sliced banana to my drained fruit. Now I'm gonna put in a 1/4 cup of flaked coconut and 1/3 cup of mini marshmallows. Now, I'm gonna take a spoon and just slowly kind of toss everything all around and give you one more clue. This animal is so very unique, can turn its head almost all the way around. Because if you remember, I said it spends almost all of its time upside down. So being able to turn its head around is a pretty important thing. All right, there it is. Rainforest fruit salad, yum yum. Well, have you guessed what animal I'm gonna read about? Let's think about the clues. The first one was the beginning sound, which is S. Okay, and I told you it lives in the rainforest, special part of the world. I told you it spends almost all of its time up in the treetops. Okay, hanging upside down And its head can turn almost all the way around. And it moves very, very slowly. It's the slowest moving mammal on Earth. Do you know what it is? It's a sloth, okay? And I will show you some pictures of some real sloths, but we're gonna start with our fiction, which is Slowly, 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 Said the Sloth by Eric Carle. This is published by Penguin Putnam. Slowly, 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 a sloth crawled along a branch of a tree. Slowly, 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 the sloth ate a leaf. Slowly, 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 the sloth fell asleep. Slowly, 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 the sloth woke up. All day long, the sloth hung upside down in the tree. All night long, the sloth hung upside down in the tree. Even when it rained, the sloth hung upside down in the tree. "Why are you so slow?" the howler monkey asked one day, but the sloth didn't answer. "Why are you so quiet?" the caiman asked, but the sloth didn't answer. "Why are you so boring?" the anteater asked, but the sloth didn't answer. "Tell me," said the jaguar, "why are you so lazy?" The sloth thought and thought and thought for a long, long, long time. Finally, the sloth replied, "It is true that I am slow, quiet, and boring. I am lackadaisical, I dawdle and dilly-dally. I am also unflappable, languid, stoic, impassive, sluggish, lethargic, placid, calm, mellow, laid back, and, well, slothful. I am relaxed and tranquil, and I like to live in peace, but I am not lazy." Then the sloth yawned and said, "That's just how I am. I like to do things slowly, slowly, slowly." The end. It's true. Sloths do things so slow that they actually, moss and things actually grow on their fur because they don't move around. And when they do, they move very slowly. So here's a picture of a sloth kind of hanging upside down. You can see his head turned all the way around. And this is in a book called Sloths, published by Scholastic. Okay, all sorts of basic information. Here's what a real sloth looks like. He uses these hooks to hang on to branches and to move around. I told you that sloths only live in the rainforest and that it's a special place. And this book, The Rainforest Grew All Around by Susan Mitchell, can tell you more about what is a rainforest and where in the world are rainforests. And I also have to recommend A Little Book of Sloth by Lucy Cook. Now, sloths are wild animals. They're not pets. But, you know, like some other wild animals, sometimes they get hurt and they're rescued by people. And this book is about a place that rescues and takes care of sloths that get hurt. And just look at this baby sloth. Look how cute. This book is adorable. If you don't love sloths, you will after you check this book out. It is so cute. I like how sloths look like they're smiling. I highly recommend that one. All right, that's all the time I have for today, so I will see you next time.